Hello my friends and welcome back. In this video we'll start building our application. But I want from you to focus with me and write down the notes. Follow me step by step. In order to create the recycler view, the first step is the item layout. An XML layout representing the layout of a single item in the recycler view. Let's jump into Android Studio, creating the project and then designing the item layout. Open Android Studio, create a new project, select empty views activity, and I'll name it as Market App. Select Java, click Finish. I'll create a new layout. I'll name it as item_layout. Click OK. Go split mode. I'll create one image view and two text views in this layout. I'm just specifying the source in order to set and see it in designing mode. I'll drag and drop. I'll add the constraint from above and constraint from the left. I'll add margin 16 and margin from the top. Let's create the two text views. And I'll drag and drop it here and infer the constraints. Then the third view, which is the text view, I'll add the constraints to this with the title from the left and from above with the title and 12 dp below the title. And this is our layout for the item. The second step in creating the recycler view is the recycler view itself. Creating a recycler view in the activity and initializing it. Let's go to the main activity, go split mode. I remove this text view and here I'll add an image view at first. And this image view will act as a header for our application. I'll copy and paste these assets in the drawable folder. Click OK. Make sure they start with small letters and no numbers. And I need to display this header here in the image view. So I'll set src equal drawable/header. I need to increase its size to 240 and 240 is good. I'll decrease its size to 30, which is good. You can see there is no spaces. Click on it, infer the constraints, and here we go. This is our header image view. Under the image view, I need to create the recycler view. Type recycler view, and you can see Android x.recyclerview.widget.recycler view. Hit enter. I need to create it with as match parent and height as wrap content. You can see this is our recycler view. I'll drag it and I'll add the constraint below the image view and the constraints to the left and constraints to the right. And also for the button, I'll drag and drop it. And to make it more pretty and more professional, I'll add the color of the background of this image to the background of the recycler view and the layout. So here I'll set the ID of the recycler view, and the background, and I can specify the color directly. This is the color. I used Photoshop to get the color and pick the color. I'll copy this and go up, and here I can paste the background for the constraint layout so it looks more pretty. I'll add some margins from the top, 24 dp, and this is good.